Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about everything you must know about Instacart's IPO. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, new to the team, we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team. So let's jump into this. Now, what is Instacart? Well, Instacart is a food delivery and grocery delivery service, very similar to like DoorDash, Grubhub, and a variety of other delivery services. Now, Instacart's idea is they want to offer an IPO. Now, an IPO is pretty much just allowing the public to invest inside the company. Now, before you had to be a private investor in order to have access to invest into Instacart. So this is a way where the public can invest in it. Now, the reason why companies love to do this is because of one thing, and it's money. Companies do this to raise money to grow the business larger and larger and larger because they're going to be offering shares that the public can buy, and then Instacart can sell those shares, use those funds to grow the business. Now, there is some things you must know about Instacart before you guys invest. Now, the IPO was going to be for anywhere from about $26 to about $28. That was until the other day. The other day, everything changed because another company did an IPO and it blew expectations. Everybody was investing in it and it went up about 20%. Now they're offering the stock from about $28 to $30. So this is definitely up for discussion. It could be higher, it could be lower, but that's where their range is. Another thing you have to understand when it comes to investing into IPOs is they're incredibly risky. We've seen companies like Coinbase, we've seen companies even like DoorDash, which is a very similar company. In the past 5 years, it's down about 53%. Coinbase is down, and a variety of these other companies, they've seen a lot of volatility when they IPO, whether it's buying pressure, whether it's selling pressure. It's just a ton of volatility. Volatility means risk. Anytime you invest in a risky company, your account is gonna fluctuate. So for me, answering that question of should you invest into Instacart, I think it all comes down to risk tolerance. If you want to invest during the IPO, high risk, high reward, for me, I always like to wait about a week to 2 weeks before I invest into IPOs just because of the risk tolerance. If we get a massive amount of sell-off, I can buy Instacart at just a more affordable price. If we get the stock going up 20-30%, it's most likely going to sell off, just like we've seen companies, like I said, even a company like Neo, it got a ton of buying pressure and then it sold off like crazy. So for me, I honestly believe the best strategy when it comes to investing into IPOs is to not honestly wait a week, 2 weeks, maybe even a month before you invest. Wait for them to possibly release their fundamentals, their earnings, their revenue, their cash on hand before you invest. I think that could be another fantastic strategy as well, just because you always want to know what the company is doing before you put your hard-earned cash on the line to make some money. But yeah, that's what's going on. And yeah, the reason why they're increasing, from $26 to $28 for their price is because it's ARM Holdings had an amazing debut on their IPO. So maybe it's IPO season, just like we've seen a couple years ago where everybody was doing an IPO or merger or something, but companies do this just to raise money, and that's Instacart's idea. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.